Now you know the rule. I was happy, you were glad.
She was nice, he was sad.
We were ready, they were too.
Was and were.